In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to play Among Us local with friends. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy to follow instructions on how to set up a local game in Among Us. This is going to work if you have a lot of people over and they are all on the same network as you, and you will be able to do this between any platform. So I am doing this on PC, but if you are playing on mobile or any console, you will also be able to find and join your friends. So all that you have to do is open Among Us on any platform and go over to play. Immediately upon selecting play, you will be able to choose between local or online. And as you can see by the picture, local is where everyone is going to be on the same location, but on different platforms here. So go over to local, and now one of you will have to host the game and everyone else is going to be able to join. Now sadly, I won't be able to demonstrate this full process, but the host, just choose between classic or hide and seek, and if you need additional help, click on this little question mark icon, and when you create the room, you will basically be good to go. The host will load in immediately and everyone else will be able to join. When they go over to local, they should see this game being hosted. So once everyone joins, you can go ahead and start. You can change the game settings. So as you can see, you have a lot of presets to choose from for the game. You can change how the role works, how the game functions, the time, the map, and so on. There is a lot to explore. You will be able to talk and chat with others once they join, and it's as simple as choosing the option to make a local game. Everyone else will join this lobby. You will be able to see them here, and you can start, and the maximum capacity seems to be 15 players. So customize the game to your own preferences and you will be able to do local gameplay on Among Us. You can create a room for classic or hide and seek, and everyone else just needs to join after one person is hosting. I hope I was able to help you on how to play Among Us local with friends. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.